Hello everybody, Darkmander25 here. Welcome back to another little video. Today inside of Yeeps, we got some new items, and I'm also on the lab right now. This will all be out on December 4th, I believe. But, I'll show you guys everything in this update. First thing we have are RC cars with RC remotes. You can also jump the cars. I said jump the cars. You can make the cars flip and everything. These are controlled with your controllers here. Okay, that was strange. But if we go into Blue House, it's all decorated for Christmas. We got a secret down here. Looks like a bunch of elves. We're also gonna have an advent calendar, which is gonna be basically like the Halloween attack web from Halloween, obviously. And to drive these, you have to get both the car and the controllers, which that's about like almost 2,000 from your butt coins, but it's worth it once you get these, because you just get to drive them around, get to do cool flips, and if you get the ones that can carry your cameras, you can just make a bunch of little skits driving them around. Now, starter house looks like this, and there's a little track here for the cars to go on. Seems a bit too slippery for my type of car. It has a little horn. Oh, come on. We can do a lot of stunts with these cars. Now, if you use stick turning, that's kind of bad with when you have the controllers on, because you're gonna have to take one off and then use whichever stick you use to turn. But every map is decorated for Christmas now. Every map will also have some type of decoration around it that you can mess around with and stuff. There's also this chimney that you can go down and in too. These lights you activate with that. Light up the whole entire area like it's Christmas. Let's go over to playground. Now in playground, we got 2 balloons. We got everything colored like this. We also got this ginormous advent calendar looking thing that has a bunch of randomizers in it, so you get something random every time. So you can get a bomb per chance. You could get a sled. Like, see how I got this bomb right here. I believe this is the lucky present. And then you wear the slides, you run around. Every map is gonna have ice and stuff around it, so then you can drive your RC cars on it and everything else. And if you have a friend with you as you're driving the RC cars, if they grab this, you no longer have control of it, and then they get to take it from you. There's also a promo code only for lab version. Well, there's a couple, but one that I really like, it's sports car. The reason why I like the sports car is not only because it sounds pretty cool, but it's also because I can put my cameras in it like this, and then let's say if I could use the mobile app right now, which you can't use it in lab, sadly, I could drive around and make some videos driving around my RC car. Now, in order to back it up and stuff, you have to have 2 controllers. Does it have enough? No, it doesn't have enough. To eject the items that you have inside of the car, though, you just press either your Y button or your B button, and then we'll shoot it out like that. You can grab it, put it back in, but you can drive it down here, get some speed, drift it a couple times. It's a little bit difficult to drive this on the ice. But this is about it for the update. Now there's a new map, which I'll get to. This is the new map, it's called Wishlist Workshop. This is where you get your RC cars. Over at this low station here that I'm about to go to. I was just adjusting my head strap. But if you want a sports car, you need to save up for 4,800. If you want this car, it was only like 1,200, I believe. This controller right here was like 800. This controller you just hold the whole time. But I like these ones, so then I don't have to accidentally let go and then lose it. I could buy this controller if I wanted, but these ones feel a lot more natural in yeeps. Especially since the gas pedals are right next to your hand. Okay. No, I'm not trying to eat my controller. Huh? How do I activate that? Oh well. I absolutely suck at driving these things. Come on. Back up, jump. That's the end of this whole entire trick. You can probably run around it as many times as you want, but